any company, mostly company, they want to using the machine. I mean, they giving they get the process. But this art and handcraft. That's why we would like to make it down my hand. And this clay from banks of the Red River, just connected out of here the option part. And we sipped it several times, and we get very soft and very clean clay. But honestly, I'm gonna tell you, white clay is much more harder than gonna be melting, form gonna be defected. But white clay, 0% iron. That's why it is possible 1,400 degrees. Porcelain, 1,400. And is the quality, best quality items we make 1,200 centigrade degrees, 16 hours. Very long time. That's why those are investments. It takes us several years. Right. That's why this is our traditional work. How important, in this digital normal business. That's why when we want to marry, we have to make it with the lid item. When the lid is gonna fit, meaning he's ready to marry it. This is the example. Like, because normal business, if you don't know how to make the pot, you
Oh
get a
my
marry. Why?
gosh.
Because nobody know how to make it.